To play Lotto Max, press here. One of the biggest reason why people buy OLG ticket is that any amount that is won, whatever the amount is, it is tax free. This is the kiosk which you will find at most retail stores, and through this kiosk you can buy any of these OLG lottery ticket. On the screen you can see this is a touch screen and all the lottery ticket are listed along with how much each lottery will cost. Lotto Max $5 per play. Then you can see Lotto 649 $3 per play. Ontario 49 $1, and likewise everything is listed how much it cost. Once you understand how it is done on kiosk, you can also do this through OLG app on your mobile. Once you understand, you will see how easy it is to do this, whether at the retail store, buying over the counter, or through kiosk or through the app. It's quite simple. You just need a photo ID from Ontario. It could be your Ontario ID or a driving license, and then credit card or debit card to do the transaction once you have made the selection. Just press on the screen like this, and to play Lotto Max, press here. It's $5 you see here, and then this panel opens Max and Max plus Encore. With Encore, whatever the price of one ticket is, you add $1. Here you see $6, $5 plus $1 for Encore. Encore is a standard feature with, let me go back and show this to you. Here you see all of these you can add Encore, and just by adding this $1 per play, Encore offers you extra chance to win up to additional 1 million on the ticket what you purchase. So you have an option to go with Encore or not go with Encore, and by taking this Encore as an option, there are 22 ways to win addition to what your ticket is. When you pick Encore, you will be assigned a random number. You don't have choice of the number what you can pick. So as we go with the video, you will see that. In case you want to play only Lotto Max, you have this choice. As I said, each play $5. And in case you're going with Encore, here you see $6 one play plus $1 Encore. 2 play plus $1 Encore is $11. 3 play plus $1, you see $16. And likewise you can see for others on the screen. Here you see you can go and click on pick your own number, and once you click here, you see number 1 to 50 here, and when you pick a number, you will see that displaying on the screen here like this. So let's go and pick one by one. As we pick the number, it will start to fill in, and now you see that entry is complete. So it shows 1, and for Encore, just click on 1. So it shows 1 Encore pick, $6 is the total amount. And once this is done, you click on purchase. Then you have to scan your ID. Here you will go and scan your ID. Let me show that to you again. If you missed the first time, this is where you will scan. And once that is done, purchase becomes green. Click on the purchase, and here you see total shows up. You click here, it goes to the add cart, and click on the add cart. Again, total shows up. And if you want to add any other play, you can do this here. And if you don't want, just go to the checkout. Click on the checkout. You get the total, pay with card, and then you go and swipe the card here. Payment done. Now the ticket will get dispensed, and where the ticket will be dispensed, you see this bottom pocket. This is where the ticket will get dispensed. Collect your ticket, and next step is to get the receipt. Just press here, yes, and again same place, your receipt will come. Your purchase is complete. To check if you have won anything, you just need to go to the scanner, and once you bring your ticket, it will show if you are a winner. If not, you will get this not a winner message. Once you download the OLG app on your mobile, you can easily go to the scan and check if you have won anything. If you win, you will get message like this. And this is quite convenient for you to check for any ticket. You just go and check the barcode and you will get these message like this.